It's Wednesday, June 2nd, 2021, and I'm in the garden. Just gonna make a quick video here. This, I believe, is celery. This is where I had celery planted last year, and it was celery from Bonnie Plants, I believe. I found it at Home Depot or Lowe's, and they were short little plants, and I just planted a couple rows, and the celery came up. We cut it off, and it started growing again, but then the winter rolled in. And you can see there's some other stuff over here. I'm not quite sure if this is celery or not, but after doing some looking, I found organic heirloom celery seeds. I found these at Home Depot this weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and try to plant some in here, and maybe it'll come up. Additionally, I got a hoop here on my purple bell pepper. Decided I would go against what I said, and I got a Japanese cucumber. I have no idea how well this is going to do. I've never grown one of these before, but my experience with cucumber, squash, watermelon, pumpkins, it's been bad. So this could be a total waste, but hey, why not? So the seeds, can't even see them there. They're tiny. I mean, they're really small. The pouch, once you tear off the top, it's got a reclosable seal, and there's more seeds. I'll just store this for next year. So I just took the trowel and dug a trench there and a trench here and right here, and I'm just gonna try to grow it in a row with the other celery that's coming up and hope for the best. Hopefully I'll have some videos out in the next week or so. I've got a lot of projects that I've had to put on hold, or they need some work. So I appreciate those who are tuning in to watch, and I hope those out there that are gardening are already having good results. Thanks for watching.